Hello, I was working on this problem. I mean GIS. What I'm trying to do is actually a really simple issue job, but I don't know why it take me like a day, like hours to figure this out. Um, so usually when you do GIS, you're trying to join some customized data or a CS. In this case, is Excel like CSV data. I want to join. This is the ID block group ID. I want to join these block groups into GIS, and it's just so hard. It's just arrows, 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 and I figure out the reason is GIS so stupid. They don't allow you to join two tables if the the input join field are not the same type. So when you work on GIS, almost all the shape files or whatever files, um, the block group ID will be a field of text. Okay, in this case, this block group file, shape file is text. And then so when you the only way I can work it out, I will try to calculate, a field as a digit and numbers and use this field to calculate a field, but it's arrow. So you cannot calculate fields through different type of data. For example, you cannot, if you want to calculate a field, if that field is number and this field is string, you cannot do that. So what you have to do is to go to this Excel. The only way you can do, I figure out to do is do it in Excel. So when you do Excel, you see this, they have a kind of weird scientific notation. So you have to change this to a number. Okay, so all I need to know is this formula is basically you. So what you do is you hit text, you use this value, and use this formula, you hit enter. There you go. So that was actually a text. If you look at the format, okay, it's actually a text. You go to text, you see here, that's text. So you just double click and they will calculate all of them, and you use this field, you input this into just drag it into GIS, and you use this field, you can simply really easily join these two tables. Okay, that's it.